Hi, I'm Kelly. Welcome to 21605 117th Street in Bristol, Wisconsin. Although I am a realtor, I'm not a realtor in Wisconsin, but this is a home that a loved one of mine created. This was built in 2021. You've got to walk through it to see it, to believe it. So we have 5,732 square feet that it is heated and air conditioned. That includes the house, the basement, upstairs, and the bar. I'll show it all to you. As far as quality, pay attention to the details. First of all, everything that you see within this house comes with the house. So that includes this very nice luxury sofa and chair, the furniture that comes with it. It's built to look like a log cabin, but it is luxury finishes from top to bottom. So we have tongue and groove ceilings in here in the great room. It's about 18 feet high, pine wood. Any of the trim and the doors that you're going to see in this house are knotty alderwood. They are solid wood. It gives you that Aspen, Colorado feel. You know, we call it Lake Aspen Resort on Lake Shangrila is what we call it. So it sits on a lake that is just under 200 acres. So it's a good sized lake, but it is private. There are only a couple entrances, one private boat ramp, so you're not going to be dealing with all of the other public coming to play on your lake. This really is the lake of the owners. It is well stocked with fish. It's an optional HOA. Deed restrictions are very low, and there's short-term rental possibilities here that we can talk about in a little bit as we go through. I want to start with this kitchen. So maybe you come on vacation like the seller did for weekends, or maybe you live here, but regardless, this quartz, you've got quartz here, so very sturdy, very easy to put hot plates on. 12 feet of this countertop gives plenty of room for your guests to sit, enjoy your meals. We do not have a dining room set up right now, but there is absolutely room for one over here in the great room if that's what you choose. Otherwise, the stainless steel appliances, you've got everything high end. You've got the Sub-Zero refrigerator, 6 burner range. It's gas. It's only been used a few times, to be honest. Prep sink here. It's going to be all about the view. These south facing windows, you've only got 2 rooms in this house that do not show the lake. So other than that, you've just got the views all around. The seller was a partner in a commercial insurance agency. And so when he built this house, he really brought on some people, some clients that he knew to help build it. One of them was the cabinet company, TriStar Cabinet Company. These are custom designed for this house. They are solid wood. They are stained, but they are solid wood. 48-inch uppers, so you've got tons of space. And then down below, everything is in drawers. Very easy to access. You've got the wine fridge as well as the standard appliances that you would expect in a kitchen like this. So primary bedroom is situated right off the great room, which is nice. It's still got the double doors. Again, these are all solid, knotty alderwood doors, so you've got some sound protection, but the views in here are just as amazing. Waking up to the lake view is incredible as the sun comes up. And it is winter right now. You know, I've seen it in spring, I've seen it in summer, and it's beautiful all the way around. Just different uses. Within this bedroom, we've got the 18-foot ceilings. We've got the beams up above, which the beams do have ambient lighting on top of them. I'll show you that when we get to the loft. You have a 36-inch gas fireplace in here, as well as the large TV up top. So entertainment, relaxation, it's really up to you, but there's plenty of room to do it all. Masculine finishes throughout. You're going to see that they're masculine, but I would never call it a Paul Bunyan style, right? It's still a little sexy, it's still a little warm. Primary bathroom is amazing, and that's really probably the best part of it. We've got the steam shower in there, we've got the double vanities, as well as the large soaker tub and walk-in closet. So close the doors and you get to be in your own retreat here in the house. So just a quick snippet on this shower because it is important. So it is all Kohler powered, goes up to 125 degrees with the steam. You've got the 4 body sprays, you've got 3 different shower heads, you've got the rain shower head, and it is all natural stone surrounded by the glass. It's really an experience. So we're back towards the front of the house, the front door. This is what we're considering, it's an office fully, as you can see with the cherry cabinets and things, but it also can be used as a bedroom. This is a pull-out sofa. If you take the built-ins out, you can make it a full bedroom, but I think the office space is going to be really important because we have some other areas that can be additional bedrooms, which I'd like to show you. So upstairs, we have quite a bit of magic too. I don't know if you play piano, maybe you do. If you do not, that's okay. This is a 5-foot Steinway designed Essex piano. Now it's a self-playing baby grand. So whether you play, you're welcome to, but you can also hook it up to your iPod, your iPhone, and play the music. The way that this house was designed with the beams does nothing but improve the quality of sound. You can be downstairs in the kitchen, and when this piano's playing, it sounds like you're right next to it. So it's amazing for mood. And then I mentioned earlier the beams, that we have lights on top of each of the beams. So ambient lighting, these are adjustable. It is perfect. It gives it at night a candlelight appearance. So it's really, really beautiful up here. You've got some style and some class. So we have elegant evenings up here for the parents, for the grandparents, for whoever would like to stay. But this is the fun room. So now this is where everybody gets to play, whether the adults are in here or whether the kids. We have this golf simulator, which conveys with the house. This is top of the line Unicore golf simulator. You've got 17 by 11 for the screen, very reactive. It consistently, constantly updates with the newest golf courses and the patterns. So we've got cages. So you've got the netting around it, and you also have a plexiglass. Now it's the plexiglass that's used in NASCAR racing, in spaceships, that protects the eye of this unit because not everybody's great with a golf ball, right? So you have another balcony up here. Look at this view, unbelievable view. And it is cold today, but it is still wonderful. Listen, there is an ice fishing competition that happens here every year. There are ice skates downstairs that are used. The ice is just beginning to melt, but what a view. So now we have some serious flex space over here. Don't forget, everything in this house is conveyed. So you've got the 70-inch TV. Every TV has a sound bar, right? We've got about $100,000 in AV equipment. Foosball table goes, but this room right here. So technically it is a bedroom. Has the closet, it has the doors. It is huge. So whether you decide to use it as a studio, as has been used before, or whether you decide to let the kids play upstairs, he has used these mattresses for tons of sleepovers with the kids, right? Parents play up here. When they're done, they go downstairs and play. The golf simulator can be turned into a movie room. So there is a projector, put a movie on, let the kids play up here, and continue to have your fun downstairs. This is the basement. And as I mentioned, I am a realtor. I sell luxury homes, not this one because I'm not licensed in Wisconsin, but I don't normally show things like this, but this house is incredible. The construction being built in 2021, you'll see the cleanliness of it, but the important things are here. You've got the full water filtration system. It has an iron remover as well because this house is on well water. It is some of the best water I've ever tasted. The house is large. There is one hot water heater. Now it's a 75-gallon hot water heater, but it recovers 160 gallons per hour. So you are not going to run out of hot water. Everything is energy efficient. It has the recirculating system on it. So if you've been in a big house, if you sat at a sink and waited for it to get hot forever, that won't happen. This keeps heated water in the pipe so they're quick to use. So it's just, everything was done above quality here. We do have 3 bedrooms down here, so I will show you those. They are pretty standard. We've got 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. So these 2 bedrooms here share a bathroom. You've got the Jack and Jill, but they all have access views with the windows below the ground, but just showing it, of course. It's kind of like a little nest. All bedrooms also have walk-in closets. Now this, just one more piece, again, that I don't normally show, but in this closet, you're going to see the entire steam shower, contents, machine, motor, all of that. Again, it's Kohler, so it's high quality. So I'm not sure who the lucky guest or person will be, but this has its own dedicated bathroom, this one. So we've got walk-in closet, again, as in all of them, and the high finishes in each and every bathroom here. So we're down here. This is next to the last room that is heated and air conditioned. We've seen the entire house, but this gym is fully outfitted. Hoist machines, you've got a matrix treadmill, top of the line equipment, right? And then you've got the mirrors that are surrounding. They were custom made for this house as well. Sonos system. Now this goes throughout the entire house. We've got a Sonos system, it's wired. So depending on what room you are in, it's all controlled by an app on a little device. So bring your music down here and have different music playing up there. A couple things that you don't see down here that are important. There's many storage closets, but we also have a sump pump that keeps a track. We have a radon protection system, and we also have some of the well equipment down here. So garages, right? They're not always that exciting, but this one is. It's huge. As you can see, this is a 22-foot craft tri-tune that the owner stores during the winter because the lake freezes. The actual complete garage is heated. So we have a gas heated hanging heater that keeps this spot warm. So we don't include this in the heated square feet of the house, but what functionality could you use down here? I mean, you can set up another bigger gym, a yoga class, a pickleball court, right? You're here with the kids, it's cold outside, heat up the garage. You've got all of the access. So you've got the large garage doors, but you also have access to that room that we showed you with it's just a big open bedroom off the playroom. You've got stairs coming from there. You can come to it from downstairs, and also through the kitchen, there is an entranceway. So depending on how you'd like to get through it, you've got choice in. So here's probably my favorite part of the house. So if it's cold, we've got that heated garage that I just walked through. This is the sports bar. It is fully outfitted for tons of fun. You've got the wraparound doors. These are, again, double paned, which all of the windows and doors are double paned glass. They have argon glass in between them. It just helps with insulation, but you've got the natural light in here. You've got an 18-foot quartz bar, plenty of room for you and your guests. You've got a refrigerator down there, beverage cooler. You've got an ice maker. The surround sound in here is incredible. We listen to concerts down here and it's like you're there. The insulation itself, I did not mention that, and that's something that maybe not everybody realizes, but this house is sealed tight. And the reason that is, not only on the exterior walls do they have the batting, they also have filled it with the foam insulation. So there are no cracks and crevices behind these concrete cement logs. They look real, they are not. They are much easier to maintain. They're mold resistant, mildew resistant, weatherproof, and that's important when you're here in Wisconsin in the winter. Summers are milder, but you know, you need to be protected and still be able to have fun and live in your house, and a lot of those safety features are what make it so possible here. So these doors open on both ends of the garage, which is cool, but if you don't feel like opening it, right? Little trap door. Outside here, you have expansive paver patios. It's being used well right now, but again, open to interpretation. A 220-volt outlet was just put over here. I think it's a perfect place for a hot tub. There is a 220-volt outlet over here as well. You can be imaginative with that. But where else in Wisconsin are you gonna find a 120-foot sandy beach with palm trees? Nowhere. You're not gonna find it. This is entertaining at its finest. You've got the almost 200-acre lake overlooking. We have the dock and the pier with the boat. I don't know, maybe the boat could be part of the package. That could always be negotiated, but outdoor space, indoor space, this house really has everything that you need. And more importantly, it's the feel, it's the vibe. So whether you're using it for a vacation rental for yourself, whether you're purchasing it to make as an investment to short-term rent, or you just plan on living here full time, it's got amazing school districts. High school district has a waiting list. So either way, you've got options here. And I think this is one of the most special houses I've seen.